Hello there friends, my name is Talia. I'm an artist and interior stylist in Los Angeles, and I help people affordably curate more beautiful and functional spaces. I wanted to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel. I am reaching, at the time of this recording, almost 300 subscribers, which is a small number, but a lot to me. I feel as famous as a Kardashian. And if you're not one of those 300 subscribers, please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos on interior styling, art, plants, small space solutions, and all that jazz. I would also like to thank in particular the nearly 13,000 of you who have watched my first video, my apartment tour. I got so many lovely comments and such great feedback under that video, although there were some of you who expressed that I might have spent too much time in that video with the camera tuned on my face and not enough time giving a tour of my actual apartment, which is, well, it's certainly an opinion that you could have and choose to share here on Al Gore's internet. Don't get me wrong, I too understand the plight of having the free content provided for me not match my exacting standards, but let's get one thing clear from the get-go, friends. There has never been a time when there has been too much of this face. That all being said, the good majority of you who requested to see more of my apartment in the comments of that video did it in an obvious show of good taste, and I am nothing if not magnanimous and house proud. So, if you are interested in a significantly more detailed, slightly older version of this tour where you get to learn more about me and why my space looks the way it does, I'm gonna link that original video down below along with some links if you're looking to shop. But without further ado, welcome to my home tour part 2, the mini version.